If you want to do your brows at home, this little wax kit honestly surprised me. It comes with a mini wax warmer, brow wax, tons of eyebrow tools, nose sticks, oil, and even a travel pouch. So if you're going out, you can always use it. Mine was a free sample by the brand. I love the indicator, like red means it's heating, green means it's ready. So there's no guessing and no overheating. The wax melts fast and removes even tiny fine hairs around the brows, upper lip, and they also do it from the root. My skin stays smooth longer, and even when I twist or shave, it feels gentle because it's hypoallergenic. So it's USB powered too, so you can plug it in and into the laptop or the power bank. So if you want something that is like salon quality, salon style, good results at home, this is it.